How to delete all chats on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete all of your chats on DeepSeek AI. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and install the application. And once you have the app, you can just open it up and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, what you can do to view your chats is swipe right on your screen, and you will be able to view all of the different chats that you have on your AI. And if you want to delete a specific chat, you can just long press on it to delete the chat. Now, if you have multiple chats and want to delete all of them at once, DeepSeek has provided a feature for that as well. To access that, you first need to access your account. So just swipe right on your screen or the two lines at the top right or the top left. And from here, you can just tap on your profile icon. And right at the very bottom, you have the option to delete all chats. So just tap on it. If you confirm deletion, all chats from history on this account will be permanently erased and it cannot be recovered. So if you're sure that you want to delete everything, go ahead and tap on confirm deletion. Now if I go back and check on my chats, as you can see, there is no chat yet. So if I just start a new chat, it will be available on my navigation bar. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.